selling boats faster.
Hi, this is Gary Buck, Waterline Boats, Boat Shed Tacoma, Boat Shed Seattle. Today we're aboard this performance trawler. It's a 42 foot, it's a 1982 Europa style. This is a beautiful boat. It's been really well maintained. It's been boathouse kept pretty much its whole life. The current owner's had it since 2004, and it was boathouse kept when he bought it, and it's been in a boathouse ever since. The teak on this boat has been very well maintained. The decks are in beautiful condition. The walk around is clean and nice and wide. Coming up onto the foredeck, you can see it has a good sized forward deck, a lot of space for using for kids to walk around on, entertaining, just wandering around out here and having a good time. You can see the stem head up here. It's all been kept in real nice condition. Good size, I think it's about a 40-pound Bruce anchor that's on here. Owner tells me that there's about 250 feet of chain and 100 feet of road on that. Looking back at the wheelhouse and the cabin, it's a very attractive boat. We have our fenders on here because we're moving over to a outside dock to do some photography on this boat. You can see the side decks up above are clear and free of obstructions. Coming back here on the port side, heading back to the cockpit. Nice size aft cockpit on this boat. I'm guessing it's about a little over 7 feet from the companionway door to the transom. There's a walk through here at the transom. Very, very attractive boat. This is an Ed Monk design. It's built in Asia. There's a nice big support right here that transfers the load of the davit above down to the side support for the Europa style overhang.